The day finally came. Zion, the most popular national park in Utah. And just like Fire Valley, the drive to Zion is sort of unassuming, brown mountains, not anything super exciting. But then you reach Zion's tourist town and you see that the reds and the greens are just so vibrant, saturated, and down the road you can see that that park is just calling to you. And of course, rocks. Lots of rocks. Took way too much footage of rocks. Now my dad's getting older and I didn't really want to walk through a river at the bottom of the gorge, especially in an area where there can be flash flooding. And nor did he want to walk the really thin, precarious cliff edges of Angel's Landing. Now, I'm generally more adverse to minor inconveniences rather than the potential of just being yeeted from this mortal coil by nature. So when I heard that you had to get tickets for a shuttle just to get into Zion proper, I was really not excited. The shuttle is actually a free service that operates when the roads are closed during the popular season. And even though me and my dad were both vaccinated, we just didn't feel like getting on a bus with a bunch of people. But after some research, I discovered that there's this East Mesa Trail, which is an alternate route to Zion's popular observation point. Less people, same great views. Sign us up. Here's the truth. When we arrived, I was in a terrible mood. The road to the trailhead was really dusty, full of potholes, and my dad and I were sort of getting on each other's nerves, so we really just needed to get out of this car. And then, when we started out on the trail, the foliage in the area just sort of looked like burnt and dry, and we were just wondering if we had made a huge mistake. We didn't have to worry long. The trees and the grasses regained their color, and the views did not disappoint. No, stay here, stay here. Turn around, look at me. There you go. What's it say? Turning red. My favorite hiking trails develop and change over time, and this hike had a lot of different features, a lot of different views, and as we approached the final destination, the earth became a darker and richer red, heightening the anticipation of the final view. Come here! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! That is terrifying! Okay, I'm gonna see how steep it is. Getting closer. Okay, it's not terrible. It's only 100 feet if I fall. Okay, cool. Cool. I think that's Angel's Landing. See this craggy nonsense that people want to walk along? That looks exactly like it. It's not a cliff, I promise. Come here. I'll hold your hand. To see this? Look at this. All right, well, let me enjoy it a little bit longer and we'll head back. All right, getting a photo of you, Dad. Ooh, nice.
Get up high, raise up high so you can see the valley.
Good job. Oh, the Seneca. Did someone break their kneecaps?
Huh?
I wonder if they're rescuing somebody.
Scenic tours.
Oh yeah. Part of me wants to do that and part of me is actually scared of helicopters. You can put that on my list. I am sort of scared of helicopters. No, I still want to do it. Enough that you wouldn't feel it when you hit the bottom.
You would for a minute. You would for a second.
Less than a second.
Well, but you tumble down. Take your clip, you'd be banging your way down.
God, Dad. You're not supposed to enable my dark humor.